Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will demo Amazon Connect. Amazon Connect is AWS call center application. Very intuitive, very easy to manage. And this is your main dashboard or configuration area. The way it works, you pick up a phone number and then you create contact flows. And it is so simple that once you set your account up, you get a default setup. So this will work right off the bat as soon as you start it. But you could start getting creative. For example, I've put together this multi-language contact flow or call flow. And it is meant for, let's say, a company that needs interpretive services. So someone speaks Spanish, the other person does not. So the person that only speaks English will call this number, and agents that speak Spanish will be on the line waiting. Or they might speak another language. And this is nothing new. I mean, we've seen this in many call centers before. Some are not very good, others are better. But it's something that's usually available from different companies. But what sets this apart is the simplicity with which we can build this. Now, I've made this one a little bit more complex because I've used LexBot to pick up the voices. Lex is what runs Alexa in the background, you know, Amazon Alexa. And basically I set up that bot to listen in for the different languages that are being spoken. And it might play a prompt, it might have different information, but basically the call comes in, the person calling will be asked, what language does the person speak? And they will have some options. Right now I only have about 6 or 7 different languages. And then agents that are logged in will take those calls. So for example, I am logged in over here. It shows my status as available. And let's demo a call. I've already have my phone number set up.
The language the person speaks.
Spanish.
Gracias. Thank you for calling. Your call.
And as you can see, the call comes in to me. And I hung up right away, but that's the way it works. And users could be logged in from anywhere in the world because this is just a web-based application. There's nothing to install. You send the link to your employees, contractors worldwide, and it's nice because you get a good set of users that speak the mother tongue of the person, which helps when you're dealing with sensitive matters. But this works out very well, and it's very simple. It looks a little complicated because you have all these boxes, all these prompts, all these arrows. What I like about this is that you have to tie in everything nicely together. So here's the entry point. The phone call comes in. Here is the voice that we use. We use Joanna, which is the standard voice. And the call just comes into this, and that's what answers. And then it's routed over into our bot, our Lex bot. And then from there, each queue or each language is assigned a different voice. I just did it this way to make it sound nicer, make it sound, a little bit more friendly to the user. And once the call comes in, they either get a prompt or they get assigned to a queue. It's just very, very simple way. And we can make this as complicated as we need to. So for example, we could create, here's transfer to queue, and that would be a separate contact flow. Or I could just stop it here, create an entry or an exit point here that will go to one of the other contact flows. And I've built one that's just for Spanish and so forth. And obviously this is a proof of concept. This is a demo for customers that are interested in setting this up. Very simple. We set this up, and very familiar with providing multi-language services to different customers.